Hello ladies, welcome back to the channel, and if you are new here, you are so very welcome indeed. Well, in today's voiceover video, I will be showing you my homemade flaxseed gel recipe where I will be revealing the secrets to make it perfect every single time. And my secret ingredients for us 4C hair girlies, so keep watching. In this recipe, I will be using flax seeds, aloe vera gel, fenugreek seeds, and organic Jamaican black castor oil. Now please note, if you have allergies to any of these ingredients, simply leave them out of your recipe. So here's why I chose these unique ingredients. As you may know, flax seeds are very rich in vitamin E and omega-3 fatty acids. Flaxseed will help nourish dry, damaged hair, nourish your scalp, prevents breakage and premature graying, and you know I absolutely love that. Now the wonderful thing for us 4C girlies, flaxseed help maintain curl patterns on coily hair and add shine. Can I get a yes, yes, amen on that, ladies? Well, aloe vera gel is one of my secret ingredients to address the unique challenges for us 4C hair ladies. You know, aloe vera hydrates the hair by locking in moisture and drawing it in from the air. It helps with detangling, reduces frizz, soothes itchy scalp, and promotes growth due to the enzyme that removes dead skin cells, which can block hair follicles. Now, fenugreek seeds being another one of my secret ingredients, and here's what I discovered about these seeds. It softens your overall hair texture. It contains lecithin, which conditions and strengthens your hair, making it shinier and more manageable. So here's how I put it all together. In a medium-sized pot, I added 4 cups of water, a half cup of flax seeds, and a half cup of fenugreek seeds on a medium heat. Stirring constantly until it starts to boil. This is the point where it starts to release the gel. So at that point, you want to lower the heat, continue to stir, and test for your desired consistency by lifting the gel up with a spoon or a spatula. If it still runs like water, continue cooking and stirring until you reach the gel consistency you want. That's the key to getting it perfect every single time. Continuous cooking on a low heat with constant stirring. Here's a little secret for extracting the gel from the seeds. You want to strain it while it's still hot using your favorite strainer. So of course you're gonna need gloves. As you can see, I'm using my Ayurvedic gloves to squeeze out the gel. Now this is the consistency I wanted. If you want yours thicker, simply let it simmer a little longer. So now I set it aside to let it cool. Now here's how I prepared the aloe vera gel. I started by cutting away the skin and placing the pieces into a bowl. The remaining aloe vera, I sliced them with the skin still intact and stored them in a Ziploc bag in the refrigerator. Of course, I plan to use it in my DIY conditioner a little later. Next, I use a food chopper, or you can use a blender, and you want to set it to puree to break up all the pieces. Straining the mixture into a tall glass using a fresh knee-high stocking, or you can use your hair stocking cap found at your local beauty supply, because they are made of the same material. Because the puree pieces of the aloe vera is smaller, the stocking as a strainer is a better choice. Now that the flaxseed and fenugreek gel has cooled, I add the aloe vera gel and 1 tablespoon of organic Jamaican black castor oil to the gel. Now as an option, I'm adding 1/4 teaspoon of Optifan. This is a preservative and I'm adding it only because I will not use up the gel within the next several days. And I do have the water-soluble version. Links to this is in the description box if you opt to add it to your recipe. Otherwise, this gel can last up to 2 weeks in the refrigerator and away from moisture. Now you can blend the gels using a whisk and then pour it into your storage container. Now I got these glass containers with metal lids from the Dollar Tree and they hold 1.5 cups, and as you can see, this batch made 3 full jars. Now these jars are not airtight. That's very, very important to note if you're not going to use all the gel over the next 14 days and you opt not to include the preservative. Otherwise, I suggest using airtight jars to keep out moisture, and a link to a set of 6 is in the description box. Well, ladies, there you have it. The secret is out. I hope you enjoyed this video, and leave a comment about your thoughts and let me know if you will try this recipe or if you've created your own flaxseed gel recipe and share it with the 4C Hair Transformation family. And if you're not a subscriber, please subscribe, like, share, as that does help the channel and allow me to create more videos to help watch our natural hair flourish together. So thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you on the next video.